Mahabalipuram is also known as Mamallapuram. It is a short temple town in Chengalpet district, Tamil Nadu, India. It is a town on a strip of land between the Bay of Bengal and the Great Salt Lake. It is known for its temples and monuments built by the Pallava dynasty in the 7th and 8th centuries. The seaport short temple contains 3 ornate granite shrines. Krishna's butterball is a massive boulder balanced on a small hill near the Ganesha Radha stone temple. Mahabalipuram is famous for its vast beach monolith stone carvings, monuments, cave sanctuaries, and sculptures. November to March is the best time to visit the temple. The main places to visit here are Shore Temple, 8th century complex of 3 temples, Pancharathas, 7th century historic temple sculptured like chariots on stone, descent of gangs, sculptures, monument history, art and architecture wrote on a stone. Krishna Butterball, massive stone boulder balanced on downhill slope. 5 group of monuments at Mahabalipuram UNESCO listed stone temples complex. 6 Varaha cave temple with life-size sculptures. 7 Mahabalipuram beach with surfing and short temple views. Arulmiga Sri Satala Sayana Perumal Tirukkovil Divyadesam, Dravidian temple with stone sculptures. India Seashell Museum is massive collection of shells and fossils. Krishna Mandapam is the history and the architecture. Mahishasuramardhini Mandapa is an example of Indian rock cut art architecture dating from the late 7th century of the Pallava dynasty. The Mahishasuramardhini cave temple is near the old lighthouse. The Shore temple, 8th century complex of 3 temples. It is near the beach. The entire temple stands on a naturally occurring granite boulder. The temple complex consists of 3 separate shrines, 2 dedicated to God Shiva and 1 to God Vishnu. The temple was constructed by the Pallava king Narasimhavarman II Rajasimha. It was a port town. The temple is in Dravidian style. The inner wall of the mandapa contains images of the goddess Brahma and goddess Vishnu. And the outer north wall of the sanctuary includes more sculptures of Shiva, as well as a depiction of goddess Durga. A row of seated bulls appear at the entrance wall of the god Shiva shrine. These bulls represent Nandi, the Vahana of vehicle of God Shiva. There is entry fee to the entire in the temple. It is 60 km from Chennai. Many buses are available from Chennai to Mahabalipuram. There are 2 roads to Mahabalipuram. With one day you can visit all the important points by walking all nearby places. The nearest airport is Chennai. The 5 Radhas temple near the seashore is a tourist spot. There are 5 buildings of different shapes, sizes and styles, supposed each of different Pandava brothers. 5 brothers in Mahabharata according to Hindu mythology. Each building is carved out of a single stone. Very near to this temple, we will find carvings depicting scenes from various Hindu mythological stories on a giant rock. The Mahishasuramardhini cave, the temple near the old lighthouse, is very popular since it is the highest place in the area. We can enter inside the lighthouse paying ₹10 as entry fee. We can watch the full town from here. Arjuna's penance is the splendor of Mahabalipuram. It is huge rock carved with gods, demigods, birds, beasts and natural scenery. Some are of the opinion that it is the fact Bhagirath's penance to bring the celestial Gangas to the earth. Krishna temple is a stunning beautiful bas relief showing Krishna lifting to Govardhana mountain in order to protect the cows and the cow herds from Indran, the god of rain, is the highlight of this cave. Varaha temple is shown in this cave temple in the incarnation of Varaha or boar and the Vamana as a dwarf. The 5 Radhas are rock-cut temples named after the 5 Pandava brothers, and Draupadi are the excellent examples of the Pallava art. All the 5 monuments are called Radhas as they are full-sized models and look like the chariots of the temple. 4 Radhas are carved out of a single rock, while the 5th rock is from a small rock. Mandapa or shallow halls resembling porticos in various parts of the area. Some stone, some of them left in an unfinished condition. About 4 kilometers away is the cave temple complex of Aluvan Kuppam. Krishna's butterball is a huge boulder with just a tip of it touching the ground. The Krishna butterball is near the Ganesha Radha. Pallava kings and their elephants cannot able to move the boulder even by an inch. The Tiger Cave is about 4 kilometers north of main monument complex. There is a beautiful monolithic stage where cultural programs were held in olden days. The very near the sea, this place is serene and calm. Open Air Museum is a newly set up modern open air museum of sculptures include chains of stones, ornamental whales and a host of other items situated very close to the shore temple. Mahabalipuram is a famous tourist center and has a number of modern lodgings and rest houses and standard hotels also there. State and private buses operate in the route at different intervals. However, hired taxi would be ideal to visit of them most of the interior places. The nearest airport is Chennai. It is about 60 km away. The nearest railway station is Chengalpet, 30 km away. It is well connected to Chennai to Pondicherry by road. State Express Transport Corporation SCTC operates buses to Chennai, Pondicherry 95 km, Kanjivaram 65 km via Chengalpet. Mahabalipuram is 474 km from Coimbatore and it will take 8.5 hours via NH 544 and NH 79.